with games.
Fun.
And trust me, a lot of embarrassment on the way as well. They
Yes,
have their
the
launch
grand
today.
launch of Kshitij
Yeah,
today.
exactly.
Swag से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
कि मेरा बेटा सिंगर बनेगा. Yeah. पहले भी मैं तुमसे मिला हूँ. Going to the campus Mittibai.
Yes.
And you're going to the event Kshitij, right? How excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10 for the launch?
24, given that we're on Kshitij, this is obviously, 2024, hence 24. But, very excited, to raise the launch of it. No? It'll be going on for a while after this. So, very, very excited to see it. And just excited to see all the halchal, all the fun.
Amazing. Okay. So, basically, I'll explain you the concept of what this podcast is going to be like. So, it's called Campus Carpool, and we're over here just to pick up celebrities from their houses, take them to the college festival that they are going to, and on the way create a fun podcast with games.
Fun.
And trust me, a lot of embarrassment on the way as well for the both of us.
I'll try to avoid that.
Okay, so that's the concept. So 4 segments we'll have today. We'll start off with carpool karaoke.
Easy.
We'll follow up with Never Have I Ever. We'll go to Who Am I?
Okay.
And then we have roadside recipes. So between every segment, I'll explain you what the segments are. So you don't need to stress about.
Done.
Okay. So firstly, let's go with carpool karaoke. Carpool karaoke, basically, you're a singer, right? Your journey has been amazing till now.
Thank you.
You've had 2 hit songs, Sorry and Jadugari, and it's been amazing. You're trending, you're off the charts. And firstly, before we start, just tell me something about, these songs, and what was the feeling when you first came to know that it's trending, yaar?
It was good, yeah. Kya hua ke, it was a song that we were working on for really long. Speaking about Sorry, at least. Jadugari as well. But Sorry, given that it was the first song, I was obviously extra nervous because I didn't know what would happen. I didn't know if we would get 2,000 streams in total or, 2 million streams. I had no clue, what the sort of scale was.
Yeah.
So, when when I found out about trending Dikha Reels pe, then I figured ke, we're on the right track. Because I think nowadays it's so important for, music to travel on Reels. Especially for my generation, right? A lot of us consume music primarily through Reels. Reels dekhe, we figure out new music, we discover new music. So as soon as that happened, there was a certain sense of relief because I knew the song has traveled a bit. And then, once, I would hear it on the radio and, my friend of a friend of a friend would, say they really like the track, that would, mean a lot. So that felt good. And Jadugari was a little bit calmer, but, I'm always going to be nervous whenever a new song releases. So to know that they traveled well felt good.
Amazing. Okay, so beginning with carpool karaoke. I'll just throw out random words, okay? And the entire segment is based on when I say that word, जो पहला चीज दिमाग में आता है, and the first song that comes to your mind, you have to sing 10 to 15 seconds of that song.
Okay.
And we'll have 5 rounds of these, okay?
Okay.
All right, you good to go?
Yes.
Okay. So the first word for today that we have for you is Maafi.
Maafi. ओ सजना वे सुन सजना वे सना मुझको ठगे जाने ते हुई है गलती मुझसे मानता हूँ मैं What is going on? क्या करूँ तुझको मनाना ही तो चाहता हूँ मैं Yeah, sorry, I got distracted with me. Carter is very well decorated.
Yeah, we're at Carter's right now and it's lit up somewhere. I think some brand's having some campaign.
Yeah, but thank you. Set me up, slot ball diya with Maafi.
Yeah, I had to get Maafi in, obviously. Firstly, I wanted to hear you sing Sorry. Okay, so the second word you have is Bindas.
Bindas?
Yeah.
Bindas, matlab very cool, na? So,
yeah. Something like Sanju Bhai ka gana.
थोड़ा अक्सा भेज घुमा दो हाँ समझे क्या तुझे इसकी भाभी बना दूं तुझे इसकी भाभी बना दो हाँ समझे क्या
Okay, so the next one is swag.
Swag से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
I think that's a very catchy.
Yeah, that's also,
yeah. Okay, so the next one is also something that you love.
Okay.
पहला प्यार.
पहला प्यार. पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता, इस पल को मिलके आज ले जरा.
Amazing, amazing. So we'll go with, I think, one or two more.
जी,
Two?
let's do it.
Okay. So the next word we have is jadoo. Easy.
मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए ना यकी मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी.
Fantastic. Wow.
जी.
You really have a voice that is natural, you know.
Thank you.
And a
thank
lot
you,
of people
yeah.
these days. So what are your views on auto tune these days, yeah?
I think I mean,
It's
everyone
fine.
uses it. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, the only thing is how much you use of it.
Yeah.
Right? You know, I mean, like a crazy, a ridiculously good singer like say, Dad or Sonu sir probably is using almost nothing, right?
Right.
So it's just how much of it are you using, because everyone is using it, and some people use it artistically, some people like that sound of that slightly robotic feel.
I think it goes more with the rap style. Like when
Yeah,
rappers
it's-
go
I mean,
for auto tune,
yeah,
it suits them so much.
Yeah, it's honestly artist to artist. Like my brother, he has a band called City Mall.
Right.
Sometimes they'll use it, like artistically. It's not that they can't hit those notes.
Makes
it's just
sense.
that they want that, that feel of and that texture specifically.
Got it.
So, yeah.
Okay, so I saw a video online
Ji.
of you and your dad in an interview.
Singing Aachal Ki Tujhe. Yeah.
So what was the feeling, yaar? I mean, your dad has been a music icon for
Ji.
ages now,
Mhm.
and you carrying forward the fourth generation
Ji.
of singers in
Yes,
your
that is
family.
right.
I mean, was it like कि यार पहले से ही कि मेरा बेटा singer बनेगा,
No,
or was
I
it
mean-
something you chose yourself?
I would like to think I chose it myself, but क्या होता कि you naturally will get influence from
Yeah,
100%. Seeing your parents.
I
Obviously,
think you've grown in you've grown in an environment where there's
Exactly.
only music around.
Exactly. So it's so much music, going around and just seeing how content and happy dad is as well. Obviously, brother and I would see that and think, there must be something about this.
Okay, so one more thing that I want to congratulate you on
Ji.
is basically, nowadays the entire industry goes behind nepotism. The father is in this industry, obviously the son has access to it,
Ji.
or the daughter has access to it.
Mhm.
But with you, I have never heard anyone say that because Shan sir is there in this industry, or their, your grandfathers or anyone from your generation was there in this industry, because of which you have been a major part over here. So that is something which is amazing.
Ji,
I think you've
I-
created an image for yourself, and then your father as the backbone for your image.
Gee, I think I'm blessed in that sense that people have taken to that nicely. But kya hai ki, naturally, obviously there is. I would be stupid to assume that he did not play some part in it as well, right?
Yeah, yeah, I mean-
obviously, he's
A
he's
teeny
helped me a
little
lot.
bit.
Yeah, but at the same time, it's for me the way I look at it at least is I'm born into a platform where I have like someone who's sort of done it all at home.
Makes sense.
And for me to not, sort of go under his wing and learn from him, and if I don't go and, ask for the, Baba, how do I sing this? How do I do that? I would be the world's stupidest man.
yeah, I think the part played is majorly in the mentorship, I think.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, that's where I think
100%,
he
yeah.
excels. That, he's very, very, hands-on in that sense. It's not like, whatever you learn on yourself. He'll
Yes,
always
yes.
give me feedback. He'll always help me get better. And I think, to be born into that is obviously a huge privilege, but to not use that as a way to get better and, improve on my art would be the stupidest thing. Because if I have someone who's so, well versed in an art, and I'm saying, nahi, I'll learn it alone in my room from YouTube.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'll be really, really dumb.
Makes
So,
sense. Yeah. Me myself,
Yeah.
when I started my journey as an anchor,
Mhm.
I started learning from YouTube,
Yeah.
going in front of the mirror, talking to myself, looking stupid.
Ah.
But it's a part of the process.
Yeah,
I think,
100%. And there's a lot of nice pages on Instagram
Yeah,
that
yeah.
will break down a certain run or something, and I'll say.
I'll crack an old one with you.
Gee.
Okay. So moving on to the next segment,
Ji.
we have a fun game. Never have I ever. I think you might have played this game before. Have you?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
So you know the basic rules. It's the same game.
Should I?
It's just that, yeah.
Where is the pedal? You've got it. Thank you.
We have a prop for it. It says never, and I have.
Perfect.
I am going to ask you questions.
Mhm.
They can be questions related to anything.
Anything. Okay.
Might sound scary.
Yeah, a little bit.
But yeah, I'll be asking around, I think, how many questions are you comfortable with?
As many as you have.
As many as you have.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to get everything out of you right
Done.
Okay, so second question is, never have I ever farted in public? And never
Anyone
told
who says they
anyone.
haven't is like lying.
and lied about it. Okay, no, yaar, it wasn't me, yaar.
I think I've been caught. This is getting pretty disgusting. pretty horrible, but yeah, I have.
You have?
Yeah.
So you go swimming,
Yes.
peed in a pool.
When I was like 2, maybe. I guess. I
Not
mean,
2, like recently, last
no,
3
definitely
years.
Not recently. Come on. Because I mean, I'm still in the pool, right? It's not like I'm peeing from outside and whoever's inside is whatever crying out. I'm also there. I don't want to swim in piss. So no, I've not peed in a pool recently.
Okay, ever written a song or sang a song in front of an audience and it went horrible? When was it?
So I was pretty young. I was maybe 13. And I forgot the lyric. I was singing.
13 is fair. Like,
Yeah, I was singing a song called Overjoyed by Stevie Wonder. Over time, I've been building my castle of love. Very nice song. But I completely forgot the lyrics. prepare harder and just be a little more, on it on the day. Just mentally prepare yourself before going on stage. It's not all just learn the notes and learn the lyrics. Sometimes it's also about getting yourself into the right headspace. But I was young.
13, anything you do at 13 is like, it's fine.
And I purposely then next year I made sure to perform that same song, so I got my redemption
you
on
get,
that.
yeah. It feels like, yes.
Yeah, I got that done.
okay. Never have I ever been rejected by someone that I really liked. And maybe then wrote a song about it. Heartbreak. You have?
What the hell?
What girl on this planet is rejecting you?
No, it happens.
Look at you, yaar. Come on.
No, trust me. Yeah, I mean, anyone who's not felt there's that line from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Obviously, it's not that. I'm not like madly in love with someone who doesn't know I'm madly in love with them. But I think it helps. I think anyone who's not experienced any rejection should give it a go.
Yeah, I think
Helps you, yeah.
it, like for example, even if music, that one time that you said 13-year-old, it's a hit for you. It's like, I have to be better than this. Same way rejection is like, I have to be better than this.
Yeah, and I mean, it's a different feeling. I think, music
Yeah.
is all about emotions, all about feelings. So many of the biggest songs in the country are heartbreak songs.
Yeah.
If I ever want to sing a heartbreak song, I have to
Yeah, like all you need to
have
search
to feel
is...
it.
Yeah, you just have to search India Bollywood and then you find only heartbreak songs.
Yeah, and also, I mean, for the singer, it's so important to be expressive, right? Like,
Yeah.
"Pehle bhi main tumse mila hoon." You can't like smile and do it, right? You have to have this about it. You have to feel it and sing, Otherwise,
yeah.
I mean, it doesn't make sense.
I think I have to get used to you
just
singing
breaking out into song. It's an issue.
Yeah, because it's like, it becomes overwhelming all of a sudden for me. Like, bro, he's singing again.
Yeah, it happens. So then it's, I mean.
No, yeah, it's actually good. Like, I've heard your songs before, and then having you in person over here sing it is an entirely new experience.
I mean, 14-year-old, one should have never thought that he'd be over here sitting with you.
I have 14-year-old me also. At the same age, so I mean.
So we'll move on to the last segment,
Done.
the most fun segment, the segment which can be the most torturous also. It's called Roadside Recipes. Now basically what this is, so I'll give you a base product, okay, and in this case the base product is gonna be cup noodles.
Okay, easy.
So today we are cooking up cup noodles, but those cup noodles need to be with a little bit of twist. TikTok and Instagram Reels these days has a lot of food content on it.
Correct.
So we are going to be creating our own dish.
Okay.
But the only twist is we don't know the ingredients. We have to cut this part out.
No stress.
Things.
So we're going to make this as chefy as possible.
Okay.
So we're going to have you dressed up in an apron.
Is it an apron?
That I have.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean obviously you don't want food to be on
Yeah,
your
yeah.
clothes if anything happens. So we have aprons, we have utensils for you to
Utensils.
Yeah, like you need something to cook, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Hey, no cheating. Okay, but the twist over here also is that there are a total of 10 ingredients. So if you
Okay.
see over here, there are a total of 10 mystery boxes that I have, and then there are 2 ramen cup noodles, right?
Okay.
But the thing is that you're only one, so you're gonna have only one. The second one is for me.
Okay.
So you will be choosing 5 ingredients out of these that you will be putting in your cup noodle, and then the rest 5 I have to put in mine, which means there's a total of 6 good ingredients and 4 bad ingredients in
Okay.
these. So if you choose all the 5 good ingredients, I am screwed.
Okay. Back on the road.
Yes. So we are close by to Midway College now. I
Yes.
think we'll reach in the next 10 minutes, and
Uh-huh.
it'll take 5 minutes for the cup noodles to cook.
Yes.
So in the meanwhile, I think we can begin with choosing your ingredients.
Okay. First, I'll take number 7.
We'll take number 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Lucky number 7. Mm-hmm. What do you have for 7?
It's
You can
a
open it.
sauce. It seems like a semi-solid. Ketchup. Hot sauce. Great.
Hot sauce.
Yeah, yeah, good fun.
Amazing. You're good with spice?
Yeah, good spice.
Okay.
Okay,
So we
good.
have the Italiano version, which means that this is supposed to be Italian food. But
7 on the side. Now I'll have to pick for you.
yeah, let's do one thing. I'll pick for me.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. You pick for me.
No, you
Let's
pick.
do
You
it.
pick. Be better.
Fine. I'll do. But the thing is, I know, yaar, which number.
Okay, then. So yeah.
It'll be not fair for you.
Then I'll give you number 4.
Number 4?
Yeah.
Okay, what's there in number 4?
This is also hot sauce. This looks like
I think
Szechuan though.
it's Szechuan, yeah.
Yeah, Szechuan sauce.
Italian with Szechuan. Not bad.
It could be worse.
Yeah. Okay, so 4 for me.
I'll take 1.
1? Okay.
No, it's light. Shouldn't be an issue.
What do we have? 1.
Oh, oregano.
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 How is it that you're getting the
Easy,
good things,
easy.
yaar?
I mean,
Oregano and Italians is like.
Yeah, it works out well. Okay.
Okay, so you have oregano and chili sauce.
Yeah.
And I have Szechuan with me.
I'll also
What's
I'll
happening
give you number
next?
2.
Number 2? Okay.
Is that milk?
Oh, that's fresh cream.
Fresh cream was horrendous.
Yeah.
Yeesh.
Huh?
Yeah, it looks like milk or fresh cream. I can't tell.
Yeah, it's fresh cream.
Enjoy.
I mean, if it was white sauce pasta, I would not mind it.
But it is not.
Wow. Okay, what's your number now?
Now I'll take number 9.
9?
Heavy.
Okay. Heavy?
Yeah. Kakadi.
Cucumber?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, so at least you got one bad ingredient.
You.
You have to put cucumbers in your cup noodles.
Okay, kya kare?
That's yuck.
Chal, I'll give you number 3.
Okay.
More sauce. Smells like ketchup.
Ketchup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
A little bit ketchup, not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah. So basically, I put more sauces because obviously
Yeah.
cup noodles and sauces.
I'm now
go-
taking number 10.
Okay.
Cheese, very nice.
Cheese. Oh wow.
Enjoy. Okay.
That's the best one. Yeah. Cheating.
Okay, and now I'll give you number
So you've
5.
gotten 3 good ingredients
Yeah,
and
and
one
one
bad
bad one.
ingredient, and I've gotten
This is blue. Looks like I think there's a soy sauce packet. Yeah, it is.
no.
Not too fun with.
I've gotten 4
This
bad
type of noodles,
ingredients.
yeah.
4.
So last one, 6 and 8 left. I'll take 8.
Okay.
Mayonnaise looks like.
Oh wow. Mayonnaise.
Yeah.
It's not at all
Okay,
wow.
I
I don't
mean-
know why I said wow.
I mean, could be worse. Could be cucumbers.
Yeah.
It's already there.
I cannot imagine. Imagine the crunch you will get.
Yeah. And
It's bad.
your last one is number 6, which is what's left?
Hopefully.
Hummus.
Hummus?
Hummus.
Who put hummus? I have to talk to my production team.
Hummus.
Who puts hummus?
So yeah, yours is definitely worse.
Yeah, in short, I'm screwed.
Little bit, yeah. I'll divide it with the cutlery as well.
Okay. What can we do? What can we do to save my ass?
What if I'll give you a way out.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
get to take out one ingredient of yours.
Okay.
But even I'll get to take out one ingredient.
Yeah. No, you're going to take the cucumbers out. No, I want to see you have the
maybe
cucumber.
I like cucumbers. Maybe,
No. The
maybe
face
I'm-
that you made, you definitely don't
maybe
like
I'm looking
cucumbers.
forward to it. Maybe I'll just have the cucumbers. See, would you really want fresh cream in your noodles? Stomach will go for
I mean, I won't mind it if you're having cucumbers in your noodles. Okay, fine. We're not making a deal. Come on. That's
No,
not a
no
part
deal.
of the
Okay,
game.
chalo, koi baat nahi.
Okay, I think the cup noodles are ready.
You can begin by putting ingredients in your cup noodles first.
Okay. Let's mix this up.
Just take the cover off.
Yeah.
Imagine both of us have a bad stomach on stage and shit.
Very, very possible.
Both of us like, guys, just wait. We have 5 minutes.
Okay, let's start with no. Chili
Oregano.
flakes, no
Yeah.
problem.
Not bad.
Sprinkle it on top. Probably should have left this for the end, but kya kare?
Oh no, you can cook in car.
I mean, it's stretch to call this cooking, but
Yeah. And it's just to call this a recipe also.
yeah. Kya kare, but
You can keep it over here only somewhere.
Number 8
Tight space.
onions. Like dollop.
Mayonnaise. Don't be shy. Yeah, fine. We'll not be shy in cucumbers.
No.
Mayonnaise. Don't be shy. Put a little bit.
What
Yeah,
else?
fine. We'll not be shy in cucumbers.
No, that we're definitely very shy. Number 10 is the cucumbers, na? Yeah, unfortunately. No, the cheese. I'll leave the cheese for the end.
Okay.
7 is these are the hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tikka.
I mean, yeah, Italiano flavor isn't spicy as such. So a little bit of kick of spice to it.
Yeah,
I
won't
think-
do me too much.
Yeah, it's good. Why do I have those ingredients?
Okay. Fuck. One more. Oh no, this cheese I haven't put on. Yeah.
Yeah. I love the face you're making. A little bit more. Come on. It's only fair. It's only fair.
Healthy.
Just look at my palate over here. It's only fair.
See here.
I want more.
Oh,
Come on, it's so delicious.
I'll pass.
Okay.
And
Fine, I'm already torturing you enough,
just
so I'll let
some
it slide.
cheese. Yes. Okay.
Amazing.
Not the best recipe, but not the worst
Let's
as well. Mix it up.
Yeah, so you can mix it up and keep it on the side, and then we'll go with mine, and then we can both taste it at the same time, and then see which one opens the window and throws it out. Yeah, I'm talking about me.
Cheese for
Good, I got the apron. Yes. Production team, nice one.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Yup,
So you tell me how much you want of each thing.
I'll leave it up to you.
Yeah?
Yeah, just don't be brutal.
I won't.
I trust you.
Hummus. Okay. Fair. Not too much.
Right. Way more than the mayonnaise that you put
Oh yeah, chal, I cut it in half also. See, half of it is
okay,
still,
fine.
still there.
Doesn't make things better, but okay.
Yeah, no, not really. Next is ketchup.
Yeah.
Just pour it directly from there. Okay.
Okay, looks good.
Yeah, not bad. Just enough to taste it.
Yeah.
Number 2 is Fresh cream. Okay. Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Little bit, yeah. Come on, the entire thing is still inside.
Okay, you can put the extra ingredients in. It's fine, it's fine.
It's falling. Okay. Soy sauce, which is, I mean, pretty casual.
Yeah, right.
Soy sauce, I'll put a little bit in mine also. Sure.
Yeah? Okay. See, I always know you're a kind man.
Thank you.
That's it. Oh. Soy sauce.
I don't mind soy sauce.
Okay, fine.
And
Last ingredient.
some Szechuan, I think. No, Szechuan not that bad.
Imagine we start a cooking channel after this.
With this,
Yeah, YouTube's banning us.
yeah, I don't think a very bright future there.
Yeah, I don't even think there's a future. Bright to bad mein. Messi station.
Yeah, man.